Welcome to What's in the Shop Wednesday on this rainy, hopefully summer day. Sometime Pennsylvania will experience it. We're here at LATROBE. We always have a great array of cars. Today on the lift, we've got a BMW X5 M60. This is for our friend Anthony. He brought us a Ferrari years ago. Hope he still has that car. Very cool car. We're doing a track package on this. Beside that's a Denali Ultimate. This one also got PPF. What was this, Aaron? Front end and rear bumper? Track pack and rear bumper. Behind that, our friend Russ brought us a E-Class. This is getting a full front end plus the A-pillar and roof kit. In the ceramic bay, Jimmy's been working hard on two different coatings. We've got a Ridgeline that's curing, ready to go home soon. Behind that, an Acura SUV. And in the wash bay, another matching Acura SUV that's here for an annual inspection. And you can see the water just beating off of that thing a year after we did the coating, and it's been driven and all that fun stuff. Coating's still working well. And in the tint bay, we've got a Toyota Avalon. Somebody's quarter window got replaced, and so we're putting a new piece of film on there. Outside, we've got a Maybach. This one is for our friend Mike. It's getting a full stealth wrap, some Forgiato wheels from our friends at Wheel Connection, and window tint removed and replaced to go a bit darker. Old Nissan, I think that's a Pathfinder, and it got, yeah, it's a Pathfinder. It got tint removed next to a Silverado that's getting tint all the way around. Our building is progressing nicely. Hopefully in the next month or so, this is gonna be all cleaned up. We'll get some landscaping, get some new pavement down, move the shed over to the side, and we're gonna have lots of extra space to work out of, as well as some offices and conference rooms and all kinds of good stuff that we desperately need. We have the Cayenne. This one got stealth wrapped. There was something wrong with the door handle. We got that taken care of. It is ready to go home from our friend Patrick. Then we have an F-150 that's getting ceramic coated next to a Model X that's getting ceramic coated. So both of these are gonna get prepped or have been prepped already, and then they are going to be getting polished and coated ASAP. And up front, we've got a cool collection. A Bentley. This one was in for a cleanup for our friend Ed. And also, the windshield protection film, he hated it. It has a light distortion. We are very honest and upfront with customers about that. If you can't live with it, don't get it. This customer decided he couldn't live with it, and that's okay. So we took that off. We're ceramic coating it. Beside that, Dr. M3's M4 CSL. We replaced some PPF on the splitter. Got new windshield film installed on that. And then the GT3 that we talked about last week that had a giant rock chip in the film on the carbon fiber roof. Remove the film, no damage to the roof whatsoever. Put a new piece of film on, and this one's pretty much ready to go home. Love that ultraviolet Porsche, man. Beautiful car. Let's see what's happening at the other four shops.
What's going on, guys? It is Wednesday. Let's take a look around our Gibsonia shop. First up, we got a completed job here from Audi Porsche Swickly. This is a G-Wagon and a very unique satin orange paint job. So this got xpel Stealth PPF on the entire front clip and the two rear fender flares. Next in line for ceramic coating is this Honda Civic. Earlier in the week, we tinted the side windows and the back window in our Prime XR window tint. And Mark will get his hands on it next to do a full paint correction and a 4-year ceramic coating. Over here, we got Mark doing his thing on this GLS 63 AMG. This is in for a full paint correction and a 4-year ceramic coat. Over here, next in line for some paint protection film is this Ram Power Wagon. This was in the shop a few months ago for the full front clip, and it is back in the shop today to get the entire doors done. In the tint bay, we got Andrew working on this Dodge Charger. This is getting our Prime XR 20% tint on the side windows and the back window. And next to that is another vehicle from Audi Porsche Swickly. This one is an SQ8. We are tinting the side windows, back window, both sunroof panels and the windshield visor in our Prime XR ceramic window tint. Once that is complete, the PPF guys will get their hands on it for a full stealth wrap. And once that is done, Mark will get his hands on it for a full 8-year ceramic coating. In the prep bay, we got a BMW X3, this one with frozen paint from BMW. So this one does require our stealth paint protection film. This is getting a full front clip, and once the full front clip is done, this is also getting a 4-year ceramic coating. Back in the PPF bay, we got a couple vehicles in for some paint protection film. This is a completed job here. This brand new Tesla Model 3 got our 8mm track package. Up on the lift is a new Tesla Model X. This is in for our full front clip, bumper, hood, fenders, and mirrors. We are also tinting the two front doors on this vehicle, 35% tint, and the back two doors, including the upper window, I guess it'd be more of like a sunroof panel attached to the door, in our Prime XR 5%. Finally, we have a full wrap in the works right now. This 718 is also from Audi Porsche Swickly. This is getting a full 8mm paint protection film wrap.
Welcome to the Miami shop. Let's take a look at what cars we got today. Here we have a Tesla Model S Plaid. that actually had an accident in the rear here. So we are redoing the PPF on the rear bumper and trunk lid because that was replaced. We already did the stealth package on this car previously, so we're just replacing the bumper and the trunk with some more stealth to make sure that everything matches for this customer. And then coming inside, we have a Tesla in the tint bay as well. It's getting 5% all the way around, 35% on the windshield, and it even got the sunroof tinted. So Alfredo is busy at work here, but yeah, this guy's gonna be a lot more comfortable in the Florida sun. Right beside that, we have Shane. If you guys are familiar with my channel, you will all know Shane. He's the thumbs up guy. This is his brand new C8 Corvette Z06, and it is getting stealth wrapped. So it was obviously just black when it came in. We are almost done making sure that it is all nice and stealthy. If you guys want to take a closer look at this car, check out my channel. I'll have a little bit more of a walk around on it, but this is almost done. We're getting some final touch up on it now, and Shane's going to pick that up on Friday. And then we have Felipe Jr. here cutting out some window tint. This is all going to go to the Porsche dealership where his dad is at, doing all kinds of PPF work for Porsche. So this all gets transported over, but that's another gigantic job we have going on.
Hi guys, Tequila checking in with Sarasota. Let me show you what we got going on. Yesterday we took delivery of a 2026 Model Y fresh from the dealership. And this morning we're pulling it outside, complete with a full front paint protection film, front window set, and full front windshield in our XR Plus film. Next to that, we have a 2025 Mustang. The client opted for 20% all the way around, complete with a 5% visor. We also gave it a complimentary wash just to get those love bugs off of there and get it cleaned up looking nice. In the back of the shop, the ladies are getting started on a full wrap on this black 2026 Model Y. It's getting full coverage everywhere as well as XR tint all the way around, complete with an XR Plus windshield. We also have a 2026 Hyundai Santa Fe coming in. We did a full wrap on this just a couple weeks ago, and it is back for its 2-week wash to make sure the ceramic coating we did is doing its job and that everything with the PPF came out great. That's all we have going on today. We will see you next Wednesday. Bye!